Madrid. This is my first set of elevators in Spain. Interesting. These are ThyssenKrupp, apparently. Wow. Look at that interlock. I've never seen something like that. I don't even know what model this is, but it's some kind of MRL. Down to P1. Oh, here we go. Oh wow, it pre-doors. Look at that. Let's go back up. The buttons flash when you push them. That's interesting. Here we go. That's a new pre-door. Anyway, let's send it down. I kind of want to see what the motor looks like. There it is. Oh, look. It's right up there. There's your motor. I have not seen a ThyssenKrupp MRL like that before. Very weird, but interesting. Anyway, let's just ride this one down because I need to get down to the floor below. Oh, that one is broken. So we'll run this one again. Let's get a look at this panel. This is pretty nice. I'd say this is like maybe 2010s, 2020s. I've never seen these buttons before. Pretty cool. And I guess this is the airport. Oh, there's some elevators over there. I'll have to film those. And, there's those ones. What is that? Oh, that's like some stop switch. Oh, interesting. It's like an emergency stop. Oh, there that goes again. Anyway, we'll look at the pit quickly. That will be it.